All right, welcome. We are at NAB 2022, and we're with Ken at Film Devices. Ken, tell us what you have going on today, man.
We are introducing the new rack and bag, which has a extruded aluminum frame and a C channel, and so all the shelves are adjustable, and so and as well as the handle, so you can set your balance point. Um, we're setting it up. This is one of our latest. We're about to introduce this in the next few months.
It's gonna pop out. Oh, look at this.
Then you have
Hey.
a light to go on it.
All right. Oh, it's okay. So you have a couple different settings on the light here. You
Yeah,
have a USB light.
yeah.
Uh, you- tell-
and and then you have your phone mount. This is our old style, our original frame, and you can see the difference on our new frame.
this is the new style. All
Yeah,
right.
and this is here's a new style, and this is with an 833 installed. The flip up lid is really great if you want to have
Oh, yeah, that's lovely.
so
iPad Mini. Keep things
yeah,
nice and tidy.
yeah. So it's really portable. Um, then looking over here, I'll cross the camera. These are Betso antennas, and they're mounted right to our frame, and they fold up so you can actually store the antennas inside the
Look
bag.
at that. Flush.
Yeah,
Very flush. That's super tidy. And then all of these setups have bags that are available that they could slide into, correct?
these are the bags. They weigh the same as an average bag,
Okay.
okay, and they have a detachable.
So here's the layout of the bag. Lots of space. Could put extra receivers in
And
here.
you have setups to put your transmitters into little pockets. Put this down. And the bag is adjustable in height, so we can change the height of the bag.
Okay.
So if you want, you can sell it with it comes with a standard length on these verticals, and then they can change the height. So if you want to put a higher, say you want to put an SL2 on this one. So if you wanted to go with an SL2 on top of A33, you would just get longer ends, and the entire system is all done with one Allen key, which I had here a second ago. 2 millimeter Allen key moves the entire frame.
Okay.
So it's field adjustable, or really easy to change the heights. Comes in 3 different sizes,
Small, medium, large. I take
medium,
it. All
large.
right.
This is a small, this is a medium, and one of our exclusives is our slide out smart battery sled.
Very tidy.
And
So we have
so
USB power. We've got 98 milliamp smart battery in there. Keeps everything super compact with the mix-free setup. And then you can just easily expand this. This is in each one of these setups I'm seeing, correct?
yeah, you can change the height, you can't change the width.
Okay, fair.
So and then we have docking. So these are the docking brackets, and
And show us how these are used.
yeah. So these have a little channel,
Lovely.
and so when these are sitting on your cart, and you drop the unit in, and you just tighten it up, and then it locks it down to the cart.
Locks it down. So then I have to ask. So you have just one Allen key to work universally across the entire range. Um, is there any plans to introduce that Allen key as maybe a built-in option?
If what was that last? What was it?
Having the Allen key as a built-in option, maybe somewhere
Oh, where
within the
it
setup.
attaches to it?
Yeah, you know,
I don't know. I mean, anyway, here's your kickstand.
it gives you a couple extra inches to prop that
Well,
up.
yeah, it gives you the
Yeah, there we
prop
go.
up. See, here it is, and And you can actually use it within the. You can actually use the bag itself and leave it in the bag,
Oh, so the kickstand, flexible. Very nice.
so you
Okay,
can actually have it in
with
the
the
side.
zippers here that allows that.
Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah. So there's you can have it in the bag or out the bag. The main the main thing that this system does is it allows you to get to all of the cables, all your connections, without ever having to go looking around for them.
Right.
And not only that, you can put it in. We sell an inexpensive harness, and for the first time, you can now use the entire system without the bag at all. The bag is gone. You have access to all of your connections. You lose the weight of the bag itself, and 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 if you want to, you can now see your front display units. That's another innovation that we have, is that and previously, if you have a sound bag and you're using front display receivers, there was no way to see them.
Right.
And so with this
You have that
with the
flexibility
tilt
to,
with the
yeah, the
tilt
tilt.
yeah with the tilt panel, now you can see that.
And you can easily throw an iPad there for
You
the
can put an
SD app.
iPad. You can do any. You can add whatever you want there.
Yeah, that's
And
very
then
nice.
with the wing kit, you can put the iPad in the middle and then two receivers on the end. And so
Okay.
these are also movable.
All right. So tell us, material-wise, what all this is made of, including the bags and the base here, the structures.
I'll start out with the bag. The bag is I think it's 1890 ballistic nylon, the
Okay.
heaviest nylon you can get. And the like I say, the height's adjustable on the bag. And not only that, on the bag, everything's accessible. So let's get this guy. This not locked down now, but so you can get to all your connections. So even in the bag, on all sides, including the rear, you can also open the rear panel too.
Very nice.
So it gives you all the way around. The uh, part of the bag, when it closes, it has a Velcro on the back to lock it.
And then these fold in, then, right?
Yeah, these fold in. You can't leave these
Oh,
attached.
okay. Yeah, I see. There's not enough slack
No,
here.
no, not. We can do that, but
You could easily slide it in, though. Looks like you could still store
yeah,
that.
you could slide those in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's still a very tidy
yeah,
solution if
yeah,
you want to get out of
and this
Dodge.
has a carbon fiber rod built in on the front here, so that once you've in it, it isn't floppy. So carbon fiber there. So that's the bag. The
Then is this a carbon fiber as well for
yeah,
the molds, or is that just a harder plastic?
no, the whole thing's carbon fiber plates,
Okay.
and they're 3 millimeters thick. They're really rigid. Um, the uh, the rest of it is all aircraft grade aluminum, uh, and that's about the only materials in here, other than the stainless steel leg.
Yeah, that's fine.
um,
Well, yeah, that looks lovely.
yeah, and if you want to look at some other things we make, let's go over the
Yeah, take us
battery
over
sled.
here.
Yeah, the smart battery sled. We work in cooperation with Audio Root, and so we get our battery cups from them, and we get custom length on the cable. So we go, this is 20 centimeters. So we're trying to neaten up the whole bag. So we've created the whole ecosystem. Uh, over there are cables. We can look at that in a moment. That we have these custom length cables that are designed just for the sound bag, and
Just
you
to
can
work.
use them in
Yeah,
any bag.
lovely.
But this couples with the audio route, and so it gives you a nice clean system. We sell these separately, so if you want to add it to your bag, you can.
And connections are available just by choice. You can do a
We have
TA4.
three connections. We have the Hyros, and we have a TA4 female, and this comes in a little bit longer length. The reason we made this one is because the 833, if you combine that with an SL2, is very power hungry. And besides that, people may not need a distro. They may just want to run with that. Just this sled plugs straight into the 833,
333.
and that powers everything up. Um,
So
and
then
then,
some other independent solutions available.
oh,
The
and
USB
yes,
charger.
we have the SL2, the Hyros, and we got it we have it unterminated, so you can add your own
Oh, so just a
termination.
pigtail. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then this is our USB, very popular. You can see it here. You can plug a lamp in.
Nice. And that's 2 LEDs in there.
Yeah, you got two
Yeah.
levels.
So that's quite bright. Quite bright.
One, two, and you got another outlet there. Right now, the iPad's plugged into the other outlet,
So
and
then power output supports 5 volts.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's taking care of the iPad and this at this level,
Okay.
and you can charge your phone on it too.
Okay. Excellent.
Right now, we set this up because we're using this particular audio route. It uses the Hyros connector, so we can unplug this and run it into shore power.
Okay.
So this one right now is running on shore power. So you can, once you dock it, and if you use this particular audio route, you can start shore powering the whole thing by just swapping the connection.
Okay. Excellent.
Um,
So then I think that's a pretty good overview of your entire system here. And then if you could just quickly touch on this, your boom pole setup, the travel kit.
yeah, this is another exclusive. It's a boom pole kit that weighs 1 pound 6 ounces and fits in carry-on, and extends out to 5.5 feet, and it's carbon fiber. And what we've made the price point so available. It's like $175 for everything.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And then this is the bag made out of the same material as the rest of this carbon
Right.
fiber 18 ballistic.
Yeah, we have a series of really inexpensive. It protects your boom pole. Boom poles are pretty indestructible. You're just trying to stop them from getting scratched up, and
Of course.
so just to protect your boom pole,
There you go.
and this is available in 4 sizes all the way up. So almost any boom pole you can find a size. You have 4 sizes,
Excellent. All right.
and
So then
and then there's the cables if you want to do those.
and then yeah, we'll
Yeah.
do a little close in on those cables later.
Okay.
Do we have any questions from the audience?
We do. There's one question from Sound Speeds. The wire stem of the, I guess the extendable wire stand that props up your
Uh-huh,
bag.
uh-huh.
How strong is it? If the bag is too
Well-
heavy, is it
well-
likely to collapse?
Well, let's take a look at it. Here's the heaviest setup we have, and I'm going to put a little bit of weight on it. I'm adding about 40, 50 pounds to it right now.
Should
So-
will the table break before that?
Yeah, I don't
Hopefully.
know. It's not going anywhere. It's stainless steel. It's a very hardened steel, and it has on the legs. You can't really see it there. There's stops. So this wire leg is not going to go forward.
So this is reinforced. I know another issue would be that potentially it could take the weight that you're trying to press down on it, but maybe these joints would not be able
No.
to sustain that. So you're
This
telling us
this
these
all
are-
aircraft grade aluminum. These blocks are just
everything's reinforced.
everything's built solid.
All right, excellent.
Yeah.
Joe, do we have any further questions in the chat?
No more questions.
Okay.
All right.
Excellent. Well, Ken, we appreciate all your time,
Been
man.
a pleasure.
Thank you for
Thank
us,
you
man.
so
Yeah.
much.